Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sync Airbnb calendar with booking.com calendar. Now step 1 is just go to Airbnb website and go to this section called calendar, and once you go inside the calendar, so you will see your calendar. So once you see your calendar, on the right side you will see these two things, either price setting and set availability settings. So just click on the second option, which is availability settings, and once you click here, just scroll down, and at the end you will see connect calendars option. So from here, just click on this option, connect to another website. Just click on this option, and you will see step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is just add this link to other website, just copy this link, and step 2 is get a link ending in ICS from the other website. So just copy this link, go to your like booking.com, admin.booking.com, and at the home page you will see the second option called calendar and pricing. Just click on this option, and you will see calendar and second option called sync calendar. So just click on sync calendars, and once you click on sync calendars, so you can see add calendar connection. Just click on it, add calendar connection, and inside this section, just paste the link that you copied from the Airbnb. And once you can name the calendar as well, like let's say I want to name it Airbnb, click on next. And once you click on next, so they will ask you, as you can see, like booking.com calendar link. So just copy that link, and once you copy that link, just go to the Airbnb and just paste other website link inside this section and just name it. Let's say I want to name it booking.com, and just click on add calendar. From this, just click on done. And once you click on done, as you can see, status is okay and it has been linked. Now inside this section, booking.com added. As you can see, now these calendars are linked with each other. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.